Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Where is DSers located? I'm going to start by saying that I don't know the exact location of DSers. However, I do have some information that I can share with you. First, DSers is a company that is based in China. This is important because it means that their products are likely to be manufactured in China. This can have an impact on the quality and price of their products. Second, DSers is a dropshipping company. This means that they don't actually have any inventory of their own. Instead, they simply connect buyers with suppliers. This can make it difficult to get in touch with DSers directly. Third, DSers is a relatively new company. They were founded in 2018. This means that they may not have as much experience as some of their competitors. Now that we know a little bit more about DSers, let's talk about why their location is important. One reason is that it can affect the quality of their products. If DSers is sourcing products from low-quality manufacturers in China, then their products are likely to be of low quality as well. Another reason is that it can affect the price of their products. Because DSers is based in China, they can take advantage of lower labor costs. This can allow them to sell their products at a lower price than their competitors. Of course, there are also some advantages to DSers being located in China. One advantage is that they can offer a wide variety of products. This is because China is a manufacturing powerhouse. They can also offer competitive prices. So, where is DSers located? I don't know the exact location, but I do know that they are based in China. This is important because it can affect the quality and price of their products. So there you have it. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about DSers, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.